Before kitchens, before appliances and technology, there was fire and flame. And sometimes in modern outdoor cooking today, we can lose sight of that primal connection. Stainless steel replaced embers and convenience replaced craft. But a new generation of cooking is bringing fire back to the center of the outdoor experience. For those who want more from their outdoor kitchen, there's an appliance designed to deliver a true restaurant quality live fire cooking experience right in your own backyard. Let me introduce you to EmberHaus Live Fire Ovens. Whether you prefer cooking with charcoal, wood, or a blend of both, this is an outdoor appliance that truly stands apart. Unlike anything else on the market, it delivers a complete live fire experience, functioning as an oven, grill, and smoker all in one powerful, beautifully designed unit. The oven capabilities allow you to roast, bake, and create fire roasted pizzas. From high heat crisping to low temperature roasting, enjoy indoor level precision with a 360-degree convection environment and that even heat distribution, powered all by live flames. Smoke low and slow, briskets, ribs, and more. The insulated chamber and expansive charcoal bed maintain steady temperatures for up to 24 hours. Smoke brisket, ribs, pork shoulder with consistent control and minimal tending. Low and slow cooking, elevated by stability and precision. There is an EmberFlow exhaust positioned at the highest point of the oven. The exhaust vent manages heat retention, smoke circulation, and combustion efficiency, open to fully maximize heat or partially closed for stable low and slow cooking. You have the control. And of course, you can grill using the direct live fire cooking. Sear steaks, chops, veggies over glowing embers of bold, authentic flavor. Adjustable cooking heights and an accessible firebox give you full command of heat intensity. Classic grilling refined by precision airflow control. With split cooking surfaces and dual cooking zones, this allows you to sear over an open flame on one side while roasting or baking with indirect heat on the other. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, each modular surface is engineered for flexibility. From steakhouse sears to delicate wood-roasted vegetables, mix and match surfaces to match your exact cooking style. The fire oven comes equipped with Slate grates that are laser cut and precision engineered. Modern and versatile, the Slate grate delivers balanced heat distribution for steaks, vegetables, fish, and flatbreads. Its diagonal slot design promotes airflow and browning while keeping smaller items secure. What's also included is the Chef Bar. This is designed for maximum char and defined grill marks. The Chef's Bar's solid 304 grade stainless steel construction retains and distributes weight evenly. This will be ideal for steaks, burgers, chops, and hearty vegetables. Lastly is the patented ceramic heat deflectors. The ceramic heat deflectors transform the oven into a 360-degree convection environment. By moderating the airflow from the EmberFlow intake system, they allow smoke to circulate and envelop your food before exiting. The result is you'll have even heat distribution, you'll have enhanced smoke retention, and consistent, controlled live fire performance. Next is the patented EmberFlow controls. Take command of the flame with that EmberFlow vent system. Whether searing at 600 degrees or maintaining low roasting temperatures, you have intuitive, visual control right at your fingertips. The EmberFlow intake is a dual intake vent that regulates oxygen flow with precision. You'll be able to keep both balanced for steady roasting and baking, turn it and restrict airflow for controlled smoking, or open fully for high heat searing. Offset one valve for multiple heat zones. There's no guesswork here, just deliberate fire control. Every live fire oven is crafted, assembled, and painted in Athens, Georgia, right here in the United States. Crafted from 316 marine grade stainless steel, the same material used on luxury yachts, you can trust this marine grade material will be durable for whatever nature throws at it. Whether it be a poolside kitchen or a coastal home, saltwater air, chlorine, and humidity are no match. With a special finish, the world's most durable paint coating is made to last a lifetime. That is why EmberHaus Fire Ovens come with a lifetime warranty. Designers and those who enjoy a splash of color rejoice, as there are 10 durable Cerakote colors and 2 PVD trim options. You can tailor the aesthetic to your individual space. Drift can take you to the Mediterranean with soft blues and coastal tones. Sea Mist can bring you closer to nature with its subtle green notes. Aged Oak emits a strong sense of emotion and connection to the outdoors. And Dune takes on a feeling of its own. You simply can't go wrong. The fire oven is easy to clean. Drippings are naturally captured and incinerated with the charcoal layer under the cooking. Removable ashtrays collect and contain ash for effortless cleanup. Simply slide them out and empty. After cooking, scrape all the grill surfaces and the ceramic deflectors, and you can place them directly into the dishwasher for a seamless finish. Before we finish, we must talk about the fire oven details and installation. The EmberHaus Fire Oven external dimensions are 28 by 31 by almost 24 inches in depth, and it weighs almost 400 pounds, so it must sit on a secure, permanently fixed structure. All surrounding construction should use non-combustible materials for safety, things like stainless steel, concrete, stone, and masonry. And mechanical ventilation isn't required, but smoke ventilation is strongly recommended, because with a live fire oven, you are going to generate some smoke. So if you can opt for a vent hood, that would be great. Having open airflow is strongly recommended, or a nice chimney style venting in your outdoor kitchen will go a long way. So, whether you're searing a tomahawk at 700 degrees, baking a pizza at 600, or smoking brisket at 225, the EmberHaus Fire Oven adapts effortlessly to every live fire technique. Mastering live fire should feel intentional, not unpredictable. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and click on the notifications tabs to get updates for next week's video.